to introduce to you the creator of the Hunger Games themselves.
The earth hungers for blood.
What are the Hunger Games for?
There's a
It's a mystery. And mysteries have a way of driving people mad.
The Hunger Games, they're to punish the districts.
Why do you think we have a winner?
What do you mean?
I mean, why do we have a winner?
District 12, Lucy Gray Bear.
It's not just about winning.
Everything is about winning. Those tributes don't have a choice.
This is a revolution.
What happens in there, fueled with the terror of becoming prey. See how quickly we become predators?
It's the sound of snow.
See how quickly civilization disappears?
These things happen in war.
I want my enemies to see a rainbow of destruction.
One moment in time.
He was your name that they both.
Your role is to turn these children into spectacles, not survivors.
Welcome to the Capitol.
You look like you shouldn't be here.
That's a nice one.
What does my mentor do besides bring me roses?
I do my best to take care of you.
With everything.
Good luck with that poor little songbird.
You want to protect people,
Watch the world.
and it's essential to accept what human beings are.
You seem like a good man, Corleone Snow.
Let me ask you one final time. What are the Hunger Games for?
A little hope is effective. A lot of hope is dangerous. It is the only thing stronger than fear. It's the things we love most